shot that?
15 for 19 years.
Why?
It's my birthday.
Because today's your birthday.
Whoa.
Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. My name is Mikey, and today I'm going to show you how to miss every round you fire. So this here is my Sig Sauer Glock 319.
Sig Sauer Glock?
And it's got an 11 round mag. Shoots at a velocity of about 4.78 joules. And you could probably shoot about 1/4 of a mile with it. So this is the proper way to grip it. You take your other thumb and place it like so. And you squeeze the trigger. No, I'm just kidding. Don't fucking do that. Some instruction here. This is we're gonna do the 1, reload, 1. Okay. So first, what I'm gonna do is get loose. Do like a little interpretive dance. You know, just loosen all the muscles up. Get in on this. Come on, everybody, get in on this. Kyle, I know you want to get in on this.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
He's gonna get in on it. You gotta loosen up real good, like get your.
Now, if you're going to be in a combat situation, first thing you gotta know is you gotta have, you know, some retention. Alright, so this is level 6 or some shit like that, I don't even know, but this is some good shit that I got on eBay. Alright, take a look.
So when you draw your handgun first, you're gonna use your non-dominant hand to bring the hood forward for efficiency, okay? So you lean across, then you come in, draw the handgun, bring it way out wide, flag every target you're going to engage, okay? And then you want to mount the trigger like that, see? Because the first round is always a warning shot, okay?
Wait,
Yes,
second
please.
on that, you want to be able to scare your opponent. So if your opponent's down range You want to pull your weapon out like you're going to punch him, like this. So he's going to get real scared. He's going to run the other way.
He's right. And it's important to do your reloads. So I'm going to switch hands and I'm going to use my middle finger, my fuck you finger, to drop that magazine. Then I'm going to pull the magazine with my right hand, load it into the gun. You want to mash it several times like a potato, okay? And then to rack it, pull it straight up into the sky. Then transfer hands again. This is all for efficiency, mind you. In a gunfight, this is key. All right? And then punch out and just like that.
Now, second on that, when you're doing a mag exchange and you got a magazine in here, you can't get it out just by pressing the button. You gotta whip that fucking thing out. I can see the mag well, insert the next magazine, tap, ref, firing away. Make sure you're bending your knees, and when you're doing a mag exchange, you can do a dog and dive rule and fire again. And do another mag exchange. Second on that?
Some people will tell you that shot placement is key. Negative. Accuracy through volume of fire. You throw 48 rounds downrange, you might only get 3 hits, but everybody's going to be ducking because there is so many rounds coming at you. It's like a pissed off hornet's nest. You know, you're going to be sitting there trying to swat that shit out of there. You don't want no part of that. So that's the key right there. So, you know, we'll get into some more tactical situations later, but that's just the basics. Thanks for tuning in.
Hey guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, alright?
I'm Jim Willie Hickam.
My name is Bernard. Well,